Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel for another exciting episode. Today we'll be basing and painting the base coat on some Freeguild Steelhelms using the batch painting technique. This will help us speed up the process and complete our first Hammerhal Aqsha unit while maintaining a consistent level of quality. I start by selecting the parts to create original models, clean them and perform a dry fit to ensure everything aligns well. Once they are assembled, I build custom bases to enhance the overall appearance of each model. For more details on how to assemble and base your models, check out the previous videos in this series. I'll leave links in the video description. I'll show you all the paint colors that I'll use. Feel free to share your thoughts or ask questions in the comment section as we go along. As the name suggests, batch painting involves painting multiple miniatures all at once. This technique speeds up the process by minimizing the need to constantly change colors. The key is to paint similar parts of the models that share the same color before switching color. Since we'll be painting many models one after another, a wet palette is ideal for keeping the paint fresh and workable for a longer period of time. Also, since we're painting a unit, we'll try to use a limited color palette for a consistent look. If there are special accessories on some models, we'll paint those at the end. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll focus on those details. For now, all the pants will be painted in English uniform. All the leather boots, bracers and belt will be painted in flat brown. And so on for the armors, surcoats and weapons. If you ever need paint or a specific Games Workshop model, check out my favorite hobby store, Fenris Workshop. I'll leave a link and more details in the video description. If you've enjoyed this video, a thumbs up is always appreciated. Also, consider subscribing to the channel for more miniature painting insights. Your support is a great source of motivation. Feel free to share your thoughts and ask questions in the comments. Next up in the Cities of Sigmar series, we'll be painting the faces and all the details to make each model unique. Later, I plan to assemble the Freeguild Marshal and the Relic Envoy. In this special episode, we'll also do a small conversion to customize the Marshal. There are still so many interesting models left to paint in this army. I'm saving Talia for last, but if you would like me to paint a specific model along the way, let me know. Thanks for joining me today. And as always, keep on painting and take care.